Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Citigroup Incorporated, detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in Citigroup Incorporated, begin by conducting thorough research on the company. Understand Citigroup's business model, its products, and services. Review the company's financial health by analyzing its balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. Look at the latest earnings reports and assess its performance over recent quarters. Familiarize yourself with market trends that may impact the financial sector, including interest rates and economic indicators. Next, determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Decide how much capital you are willing to invest in Citigroup Inc. Choose a trading strategy, such as long-term investing or short-term trading. Now, open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Research different brokerage platforms and select one that suits your needs. Complete the account setup process and fund your account. Once your account is funded, search for Citigroup's ticker symbol, which is C. Evaluate the current stock price and market conditions before making your purchase. Decide how many shares you want to buy. Place a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to set your desired price. After your order is executed, monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about Citigroup's performance by tracking news and financial updates. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or earnings announcements. Reassess your investment strategy periodically based on market conditions and personal financial goals. Be prepared to adjust your position or exit the investment if necessary. Document your investment for tax purposes and keep track of your gains or losses. Educate yourself continuously about investing to improve your skills and knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.